Curious about the fundamentals of credit, budgeting, and debt? Not quite sure where to start? Well, the MyMarble Freemium subscription is exactly what you need, and you can get started today at no cost. Hi, I'm Leslie, and I'm a product specialist at Marble Financial. Today I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of the MyMarble Freemium subscription, and the walkthrough here is described for desktop, but the browsing experience is mobile friendly as well. Personal finances and credit can seem scary and complex, and understandably so. This 3-digit number, our credit score, reflects the type of relationships that we have with lenders and determines the type of financing that we have access to. Which is why we at Marble Financial have made it our mission to empower as many Canadians as possible with the essentials they need to build the foundations of financial fitness. Creating an account on MyMarble automatically enrolls you in our freemium plan. Once logged in, you'll find that you have all the essentials and all the information on this one page, your MyMarble Dashboard. Your credit score is displayed at the top right of your dashboard and is updated once a month. From the top of the page, connecting your bank to the Banking Insights tool gives you an overview of your income against fixed expenses, flexible expenses, and debt payments. You can also further view a more detailed breakdown into each of these categories for a more thorough understanding of your spending. Finally, you can also view your income against total expenses over time. And as you can see, the Banking Insights tool goes a long way in helping you evaluate and restructure your finances. Any active tasks, including billing, payment, and plan upgrades, are contained at the bottom of your dashboard, alongside your monthly credit and banking recommendations. These recommendations include insights into what is most impacting your credit score, as well as recommendations on what you can do about it. Finally, you will also have quick access to our free Marble Maestro financial literacy courses, which include expertly curated educational courses on everything from your credit to your debt, to provide you with a strong foundation in your personal finances. We make it easy to stay on top of your finances. Enroll in the freemium plan on MyMarble today. And for more information, you can click the link below.